Back.
Yeah, you guys gotta like
You
actually
guys are
stare.
getting a good shot my butt. Here we go. I'm gonna walk it. We'll talk it, walk it,
Talk and walk.
and then we'll just gonna dance it through once. Okay? Here we go. Start with your tap sets. We're gonna shift fingers to your well.
That's fine.
To the back. Here we go. And tap.
It's a drill.
Step.
Works both
Tap.
ways.
Step. And tap. Step. I want to think. Straighten my knee. And then let that knee release and top.
You're not picking up the foot.
But you're also getting that, like if, like a flashlight was coming out, if you were Care Bear, staring at that corner and that one over there. 45s, yes? Then we're shuffle. Shuffle to the side.
Talked about that teapot action, right? Engaging over the first step that you take of every triple, right? So you're not marching in place.
All of a sudden, if you over-articulate, it looks like you're scrambling. So you're just working the side that you're tripling to, right?
Basic anchor.
Basic anchor position. Third foot, right? And third foot position.
Stay in place, then we move. We stay in place, then we move, right? We're always swinging and moving to the upbeats. That's what makes swing swing.
And also, if you look at it this way, when you're doing that anchor position, you get that, there's that tiny micro movement of your center shifting from that side to back, right? Back. Like, so an anchor position to me is kind of like, hey, let's get ready. It's like the ready position. Like, you want to stand like this, get your feet in third foot and make sure that you hit them on that dinner plate, yeah? Right, go 2 step. Side, cross in front. So anchor, side, slide. Anchor, cross, slide. Night club 2 step. Quick, slow, or triple step.
This one should be used almost the least. You will use it, but you should not. That should not be your basic. That should not be like the default, right?
Yeah.
Where now you're shuffling every pattern around the floor. Okay.
Forward check.
Forward check.
All right, and forward check. Step. Crossover. So all I'm doing is I'm
Straight
striking
leg.
the floor, leg straight, leg straight. Cool? What's this one?
Coaster.
Coaster, okay. And look, here's kind of one thing I want you to think, if your toes are pointed to this 90,
Corners of the room.
like as I take my step, I'm bending that standing leg so I'm on 2 balls of my feet. So that when you pivot, when you step open, now your feet are facing this way as you hook. That's what we use to pivot. Coaster. So this is a rotational triple that sends you to rotate to the open side. Now, we're going to do side cross in front and side cross in front. Side, back, cross. So keep your head in place. You don't want to end up running around here, right? You just, all it is that side cross in front. Good. Kickball change. I'm going to start with my weight on my right foot cross over. We're going to go hand. You're going to twist to that 45 as you extend that foot into what? Just a tap. You all did that earlier, right? So here and tap and cross and kick and cross. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Last one. Sweep. Sweep. Step. That's a syncopated step. Why? Because you're not doing any triples. You're taking all the steps out. We're just sweeping the leg, landing on the upbeat. Okay? Let's do it.
Is that upbeat?
So I'm going to do this drill right now the way we did it in class. We did units 2, but we did 2 8s for each one. Here we go. 5, here we go. 6, 5, 6, 7, and tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic. Triple, 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 triple.
Basic anchor position. Third foot. On the up. On the up. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Good night. Come to it. And 1 and 2.
6, 7, and 8. Make sure you tuck that foot back. 7 and careful change. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 again. 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 sweeps. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You start working the elbow change in that.
You're rotating on the supporting foot. You're rotating. Ooh, that's a lot.
Okay.